Yeah, let's figure it out. We're gonna try out this mega fossil kit. It has this block, and then yeah, you can scratch it with that tool, and you've got a little hammer, and then you've got the brush to brush the dust off. You just gotta work at it a while till you find something. Yeah? Process. It's actually a bit of a challenge to try and figure out where to dig and how, and you really got to chisel it like a real archaeologist or paleontologist. It's very interesting.
And the volcano kit.
It says here that if your digging brick is too hard, soften it by adding some water. Just pour a little onto the brick and let it soak in. And when you find a specimen, there's some specimens right there, make sure to excavate all the way around it. Patience is key so as not to damage the fragile specimens. Rinse them in water to remove any dirt. And then you'll identify and learn about your discoveries. You'll find information about each one in the guide included in this kit. Sophia, do you have the guide? Look with the dinosaur. Okay, this is the guide. Okay, so when you find your specimens, you figure out which one is which.